After a ridiculously
Long shower.
Mario and Luigi synchronized using ridiculous super moves.
I found Encino.
I'm joy. This is sadness. That's anger. And that's calm.
Yeah, this plane's trashed.
Everyone died. The end.
Wow! How original!
On Pillow Island, something quite strange began to happen. Oh, brother.
Hey, Mario.
Mamma mia!